The Israeli Supreme Court has ordered the expulsion of 1,000 Palestinians. According to Reuters, Israel's Supreme Court has dismissed a petition challenging the expulsion of over 1,000 Palestinians from a rural section of the occupied West Bank in an area Israel has designated for military drills. The Supreme Court released its verdict late Wednesday, opening the door for the destruction of 8 tiny communities in a rocky, dry territory near Hebron known to Palestinians as Masafer Yatta and to Israelis as the South Hebron Hills, after 2 decades of unproductive legal wrangling. The court said in its decision that the Palestinian villagers, who have maintained a unique, generations-long nomadic way of life based on farming and herding, were not permanent residents of the region when the Israeli military designated it a firing zone in the 1980s. Many Palestinian families have lived continuously in the 3,000-hectare Masafer Yatta region since before Israel occupied the West Bank in the 1967 Middle East War, according to locals and Israeli rights organizations, and their deportation would be a violation of international law. This demonstrates that this court is part of the occupation, Masafer Yatta Mayor Nidal Abu Yunus remarked. "We will not be leaving our houses. We're going to remain here," he said. The court said that the door was still open for the villagers and the military to reach an agreement on utilizing sections of the property for agricultural purposes, and encouraged both parties to reach an agreement. The ruling would have extraordinary ramifications, according to the Association for Civil Rights in Israel, ACRI, which petitioned against the deportation alongside Masafer Yatta locals. The High Court has formally sanctioned leaving whole families without a roof over their heads, including their children and the elderly, ACRI stated in a statement.